Hello guys and welcome to How to Social. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram profile link. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Tap on edit profile. Now tap on your username and copy your username. Now we'll close the Instagram app and open a browser. On the search bar, you will write instagram.com/ and paste your username. That's your Instagram profile link. So if you want to share your Instagram profile link with your friends, then copy the link and share it to them. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.